Hello and welcome back. Let's learn an acronym to help us with rational exponents, radicals, fractions, and divisions. It covers all of it. TIBO. TIBO. That's T-I-B-O. What's that stand for? So the T-I is top, inside. Can you guess what the B and the O are? Bottom, outside. Excellent. Okay, so some fundamentals. When we have a fraction, there's only two positions, top, bottom, also known as numerator, denominator. Okay, when we have a division house or a radical house, there's only two positions, inside, outside. Inside, outside. Okay, so if you remember these pairings, top inside, bottom outside, you'll easily be able to convert between rational exponents and radicals, fractions and long division. Let's do some examples. Let's say I have 4 to the 1/3 power. So that would be a rational exponent, the 1/3. How would I write that as a radical? So my radical house looks like this. At first, the base is always going inside. The 1 and the 3, how do I know what goes where? Well, the 1 goes inside and the 3 goes outside, just like that. Let's say if we're working the other way around. Maybe we have the 5th root of 3 to the 7th power. How would I write that using rational exponents? Definitely got my base like this. The 7 is on the inside, so it's going up top, top inside. The 5 is on the outside, it's going on the bottom, bottom outside. And that's it. All right, let's talk about fractions and long division. Because I have too many people, too many students at higher levels, we're talking high school, upper middle school, that still confuse what goes where when it's time to do long division. So if I have something like 3/7, and I ask a student, okay, here's my division house. What goes on the inside? What goes on the outside? And they tell me 7 goes on the inside. I say, why would 7 go on the inside? And they go, because it's bigger. No, it is not based on which number is bigger. It's always based on position. Position. That's what TIBO reminds us of. Position. It's not, well, if this is greater than this, then nope. So the 3's on the top, it's going on the inside. 7 on the bottom, going on the outside. Then we work on long division. Or let's say we're in a situation where we start with the long division and we wonder how to write it as a fraction. Maybe I have something like this. All right, top inside, bottom outside. So that means 14 on the inside goes on top, 4 on the outside goes on the bottom. That's it. So remember TIBO to help you with radicals, rational exponents, fractions, and long division. And we're done.